Welcome to another property video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals, and we welcome you to Beach Street, Kingscliff. In fact, Unit 1, number 11, Beach Street. It's located just 900 metres from the centre of Kingscliff and 200 metres from the beach. So great central location. As we go down to street level, this is how the property presents from the street, and the property that we've got for rent is the front ground floor unit. Going into the property, lounge dining combined with ceiling fan, concrete walls throughout the property, also a concrete floor above so you get no noise from upstairs. Kitchen is workable, plenty of cupboards and drawers, double door pantry as well. And now looking back towards the lounge from the kitchen. Going through to the bedrooms, main bedroom is at the front, got a built-in robe as well, also ensuite bathroom. And both the second and third bedrooms are adjacent, and both of them have ceiling fans, and both of them have built-in robes. Main bathroom is a three-way bathroom with separate shower, separate toilet and a vanity. Great when you have kids. Internal laundry, internal access to the garage through that screen door there, and also single remote door to the garage with easy access from the street. If you'd like more details on viewing this property, then please call the team at Kingscliff Sales and Rentals for viewing times 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au or visit our website for more information at salesandrentals.com.au.